Good morning. Thank you for being here. I am Alex. Please subscribe. This is day 2 of a 5-day morning yoga challenge. I will link day 1 below. This is going to be a nice 10 minutes, a great way to start your day. Walk your hands forward. We are going to child's pose. Knees are a comfortable distance apart. You are physically here. Let's bring our mentality, our mental presence here as well. Bring yourself to the present moment by directing your focus to the breath. Breathe in and out through the nose. Quiet the mind, which is naturally easier to do in the morning. Mornings are extremely important. The way you start your day, the first thing you hear, the first things you say should be peaceful, should be comforting. Let's set our intention today and have it be peace. How can you be peaceful? How can you find even little ways to decide to be kinder to yourself, especially? Let's start there. Walk your hands in a little bit. We're going to thread the needle. Left arm forward, right arm reaches under and across. I'm going to use my left hand as a fist, as a pillow under the forehead. Feel the shoulders stretch across and breathe. Let's keep the eyes open, the gaze soft, because we are building energy, presence, alertness for our day. Press into the left hand to sit up and switch sides. The right arm reaches out in front of you so that the left can thread underneath, palm up, and then you're going to bring your right hand back. Relax onto your hand. The pressure on your forehead is a physical reminder to trust your intuition. Your intuition brought you here to this moment. Relax the breath. Relax the torso so you can breathe deeply and smoothly. Press into the right hand. Bring yourself up to a tabletop. Let's do 3 cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, press the mat away and scoop the tailbone. Inhale, open up. Exhale, round. Once more. Move with intention. Act with intention. Exhale. Tabletop. Puppy pose. Walk your hands a couple of palm prints at the top of your mat. Yay, you've smiled today already. And leave your hips over the knees, I hope. And bring your forehead down to the mat. You should feel this underneath the armpits. So the tendency is to bring your hips with you. We want this deep shoulder opening. Upper back stretch. Shift your weight forward into Sphinx pose. Prop up onto forearms. Press underneath the wrists and then set the hands down. Unshrug the shoulders and be pulling your chest through. Press down evenly through the hands. Tops of the feet are down and feet are about hip width, maybe less. Breathe. Release. Press up to a tabletop and sit back onto your heels. We're going to tuck the toes, pull the pinky edges out, eagle arms, right arm under, left arm over. If you need a towel or strap, reach your elbows away from you and go up and down. This feels really great in the shoulders, I think. It's also a distraction from the foot stretch. Let's switch sides. Reach the arms wide and overhead. And then left arm under, right arm over. If this is too much on the feet, then sit on your knees on a block, any way that's comfortable. Up and down with the elbows. And release. Arms wide and overhead. Inhale. Exhale, hands back down. Let's bring ourselves back to a tabletop. Release the feet, tap out the ankles. Reach your right leg back. Keep it about hip height. Try to level out the hip, so you might need to lower the right hip bone a little bit. Press down into the palms, nose to knee. Round the upper back especially. And then reach the right leg back. Hold it there for a moment. Place the toes on the mat and let's stretch through the calf. Move up and down. Calves. Find neutral spine somewhere in the middle. Scan right to left. And then reach your left leg back, hip height. Pull in the core. Press the palms down. Bring the nose to knee. Feel a rounding happening in the upper back. And extend, lengthen. Toes down. Stretch out the foot and the calf. And tabletop. Tuck the toes, hover the knees, feel the arms fire up, feel some heat happening in the body, smooth out the breath. Downward facing dog, keep the knees soft, pedal through the feet, just find some movement. I like to lift one leg at a time. No real direction for this part, it's feel good. Walk to the top of your mat, ragdoll over the legs. Exhale. Round up to standing. Bring the palms to touch. Inhale, arms overhead. Seal the palms, look up at them. Exhale, swan dive over your bent legs. Inhale, halfway. Lift and then place your hands down, step it back to a tabletop. Long exhale into a child's pose. Walk your hands in towards you. We're sitting up on the heels. Bring your arms behind you, fingertips pointing away, and we're going to just lean back, walk your fingertips away from you. Feel some opening in the chest. If it's okay with your head and neck, you can lift the chin, maybe keep your teeth closed. Lift back up. Bring your hands to the mat in front of you, tabletop. One cat-cow, inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral spine. Make your way to a seated position. Cross your legs, sit on a block any way that's comfortable. And let's lower the right ear toward the right shoulder and find a half circle over to the left. Tilt and up. Let's switch that direction. Tilt and up. Lift the chin. Lower the chin. Half or full circle in both directions. Quiet the mind, decide. Actually, you can't really think while you're stretching your neck. That's why it's so calming. Look over the right shoulder. Look over the left shoulder. Bring yourself back to center. We will close with a breath. Inhale, arms are wide and sweep overhead. One more breath at the end. Inhale. Long exhale, hands down to your heart center. Peace to you. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Comment, like, subscribe. Namaste. Namaste. Day 2. See you tomorrow.